Kuala Lumpur, the vibrant capital of Malaysia, offers a beautiful blend of Malay, Chinese, Indian, and modern multicultural influences, making it one of Southeast Asia's most dynamic city destinations. First-time visitors should begin with the world-famous Petronas Twin Towers, a symbol of Malaysia's economic rise, where the skybridge provides breathtaking skyline views. Other must-visit attractions include Batu Caves, a Hindu limestone cave temple with a giant golden Murugan statue, Merdeka Square, KL Tower, and the lush Perdana Botanical Garden. For family-friendly experiences, explore Aquarior KLCC, Berjaya Times Square Theme Park, or enjoy modern shopping at Pavilion Kuala Lumpur. Kuala Lumpur's culinary scene is a top highlight, offering unforgettable flavors influenced by Malay, Chinese, and Indian cuisines. Must-try dishes include nasi lemak, char kway teow, roti canai, laksa, satay, and Hainanese chicken rice. For dessert, try sendal or ais kacang, and pair meals with datarik or white coffee. Food havens like Jalan Alor, Petaling Street Chinatown, and Kampung Baru offer authentic street food experiences at affordable prices. Shopping in Kuala Lumpur is diverse, from luxury brands at Surya KLCC, the Exchange TRX, and Mid-Valley Megamall to bargain hunting at Petaling Street Market and Central Market, where travelers can find traditional masks, batik clothing, handicrafts, pewter items, and herbal products. Don't forget to bring home bo tea, durian snacks, or local spices as souvenirs. Transportation is easy with public trains including MRT, LRT, monorail, and KTM commuter, all connected via major hubs like KL Central. Ride-hailing services such as Grab are affordable and widely available. Walking is convenient around Bukit Bintang and KLCC areas, but prepare for humid weather and occasional rain. For cultural experiences, explore the National Mosque, Masjid Negara, Thian Hu Temple, and Islamic Arts Museum to appreciate Malaysia's diverse heritage. Respect local customs by dressing appropriately at religious sites and being mindful during Ramadan. Kuala Lumpur is generally safe, but watch belongings in crowded areas, stay hydrated, and avoid unlicensed taxis. Kuala Lumpur offers a perfect blend of modern entertainment, cultural harmony, world-class food, and exciting shopping, making it an unforgettable travel experience for all types of travelers.